No more fear of getting run over.
I wasn't really afraid of either.
Yeah, by the old guy. You was that guy. Get out of here. Oh, shoot. Look at that. And we're on to the next side. We didn't put the fender on. We're going to wait till the tire's on it. Make sure it's in the right spot.
This side should be easier because this brake still worked. So we should be able to just pull all of these out, slide it off.
Shouldn't have any broken stuff.
We should just have to change all the discs and the plates.
The only thing different's the ram on the outside, right?
Yeah, but I think we can just pull that pin and raise the ram up.
Same hoses. We'll go for it, and once we're in there,
we have to pull that fender off.
It's just obnoxious trying to push and align.
Just in the way, I guess. Yeah, it only takes 4
Once we get it apart, we'll show you where we messed up on the other side. What's our guess on time?
We didn't mess up.
We just didn't know what we was doing.
We just didn't do it right.
5:12.
6 o'clock, we're done.
We said 20 minutes. 5:32, we're done. 10 minutes for the ram, because that's extra.
There's the washer. Those things are kind of worn.
2 are out and 1's in. That's weird. We've got it running with the park brake off to hold the pressure off. Oh, there's sludge. Good thing even though it was working, good thing we tore it apart. So we'll get it cleaned up, get that bolt out. Woo. So those need to be flat. When we didn't have the pressure off, it pushes them through that far. And that was holding us up the first time going through on this one. So when we put this in, if it's running, holding fluid, keeping the spring pressure off, it won't do that. It'll keep it like that, set it down in. And when you bolt your axle in, that'll hold pressure, which won't let it come far enough. If we can weld a nut on this one broken bolt, then we can just go back together, right?
So,
You have a nut? Right there.
go on with it. That's a ring.
It looked a little big, looked close. These are pushed out and the brake off, sucking the brake in. Now there's no tension. Got the broken bolt out, back together. New bushings in.
I'll put this in, put the new bolts in, and pull it back together. What's our time?
Should just work. We're at an hour right now.
Dang.
We're at 1 hour right now. It took forever. If those bolts wouldn't have been broke, it'd have been cake. But we had to go clear apart, weld 16 nuts on it. Now we're going back in. So, most important thing is have the park brake released. before you put these bolts in. Very utmost important. Oh shoot. So on the table, without the springs released, I had to push on that to get it to start. Now it threads right in, and it's going to bottom out without pushing that sleeve. So
That's the trouble we had on the other one. We pushed them sleeves out.
now we'll just slide the discs in. Should be plenty of room. Shove the axle in, and we'll meet our 20-minute time mark. We need this and these. And we need the stills. Stills are still in the box. That's the thickest one, the first one, and the other three are the same. Go all the way in, just like the other side. Beautiful.
Oh, we can put that back in now.
Awesome. I'm going to raise this up a little, then we can swing it in. When did we start? 5:12?
That was
6:35. A little over an hour.
that freaking bolt messed with us a little.
But Mom brought lunch at 5:30. It was delicious for dinner. So thank you, Mom. That was key, having it running to release the brake.
Yeah, this fell right together. Just got to tighten these up, put the tie rod back on,
And the ram.
The ram, this side's done, and the brakes are done. I just got to change the pinion seal. That should be fun.
The leaking hose, and
Yeah, it's got a hose.
we're 50%. Hard part's done per se, but
we can use it now though.
well, not really. Not with a puddle like that. We got a hose. That's why the front's bleeding off. It never used to bleed off, but that hose letting her drop now. So, what a workout. We had a day into this, tearing it apart.
Yep.
Waited for parts for a week and a half. Took a few days to find the parts. A few days to get her back together.
Yeah.
We didn't have to haul it anywhere.
No,
That was worth a lot.
Sladen told me to do it for me, but I didn't want to haul it down there. I wanted to try it.
Yeah, why not
And
try
It's
something?
pretty easy.
Simple.
Super simple.
It's just the unknown, not knowing.
It's just big. Everything's just big and heavy.
Yeah,
But the crane
crane was nice.
saves us.
My back appreciated that crane.
Yeah,
Park brake works.
nice.
Money. Well, thank you guys for following along. We're not done yet, but we're done. We're going home. So we may have you along with us while we work on some more stuff. But if not, we'll definitely go for a test drive and show you that the brakes work.
It's been over a year. It's time.
This time.
Yeah, it was time.
It was dang time. Had we known these brakes were decent, we could have plugged the other lines,
Yeah,
because it's got a loop line to pressure both sides equally, so we could have plugged one side, put the pressure over.
and it had a brake on one wheel.
It wouldn't have lasted long.
No, because they were about gone.
but it would have worked. I mean,
Yeah.
next time we'll get every ounce of good out of both sides.
Hopefully we never have to change this again in my lifetime anyway.
Right? Maybe we'll trade and upgrade for a new one.
Because this had 1,900 hours when I bought it, and now it's got about 4,000.
It's getting a few hours.
So
Gets up there quick. Gets away from you.
I know.
Sweet. Well, let's go get some dinner. Thanks for all the help, guys. We appreciate you helping us out.
I felt it.
Right? They were there lifting us up.
I mean, I hit my head on that mirror 6 times, and I
laughed
felt
so
it every
hard.
time.
I
And
laughed.
I could tell you guys were saying, "Look out for that!" Oh, he hit it.
He got it again. Just an update. I know we just had the forklift video, and we didn't ever test it, but it's together.
It's done.
It's done. My dad got the pinion seal changed and went to change the back, and it was the wrong seal.
Yep.
How'd that feel?
Fortunately, it was super easy to take apart. I mean, like 5 minutes, I had the wheel apart and had the seal out.
You know what? I've seen 20 minutes turn into 2 hours.
It was literally 5 minutes. It was
I
fast.
don't buy that. But it's back together.
But I've had all these apart before, so I know how to do it because I replaced all the seals before.
Well,
But
just
they sent me the wrong seal, and so I took the spring off the seal, shortened it 1/4 inch, put it back on, called them. They're going to get me the right seal, and then I'll tear it apart again.
Well, just to clarify that what we did worked, let's see the brakes work. Let's drive it out of here and see it work.
Park brake.
Park brake's holding it. Hey. Hey. Heck yeah, it's safety again. No more fear of getting run over.
I wasn't really a fair either.
Yeah, by the old guy. You was that guy. Get out of here. That's been in here for a while. Look at that mess. Almost be a 1.5 years without brakes. It's going to be super nice and safe again. So we had a rough couple of days thrashing on that thing, but it was worth it. It's good to go now. Finally got this little girl back. Now that we got brakes, let's unload it. Be close. Pull that chain and we'll line it up. That's got traction to it. Textured. Yeah, the black's pretty good. I like it. Woo. Glaring on the window, can't see. Go down barely. There you go. How's the brakes? Up. Didn't even have park brake on. He's not nervous about rolling in the creek. I would say they're working. We wouldn't have done that before. Because if the park brake failed, you'd have been in the drink. Looks like it's working to me. He's in love back in his toy. That machine's been his baby since he's got it. So auction block's back, brakes are fixed. Thanks guys, appreciate you watching and look forward to the next one. Check this out. Just a little sneak peek.